we get our idea of science wrong. So what we tend to think of science is a case where we use pre-existing known data to solve a problem and arrive at a single optimal or right answer. So the typical high school maths question is something like this. It's two buses leave a bus station at noon, and one of them travels due north at a constant speed of 30 kilometers an hour, and the other one travels due west at a constant speed of 40 kilometers an hour. What time is it when the two buses are 100 kilometers apart? That we come to think of as science. So we say we have this data, we must use the data we have to arrive at an answer. But it's worth noting that that question is highly unrepresentative of most real world questions, because one, you have all the information you know to arrive at a single optimally correct solution. The information you know is expressible in mathematical form, i.e. speed and time. And there's a single obviously correct answer to the question, which only requires the information you have to solve the problem. Now, of course, in reality, even that maths question is making some stupid assumptions. Buses never travel in straight lines, they never leave on time, and they usually get stuck in traffic, so they don't travel at a constant speed. And so what we're obsessed with doing is we're obsessed with taking what we know and turning it into the kind of question where there's a single right answer. Now, fundamentally, most real world questions aren't like that. We don't know everything we need to know, and quite a lot of the things that are important are not necessarily mathematically expressible. So for example, if you're dealing with human behavior, we don't have SI units for things like regret or empathy, or we don't have an SI unit, for example, for compassion. Okay, so once you're dealing with human behavior, you're outside this narrow artificial realm where you have a physics problem with a single right answer, which you can solve, and where there's one right answer, and anything that isn't that right answer is wrong. Okay, we love things like that because, of course, teachers like them because they're really easy to mark. And we like them because they make decisions really unambiguous. There's no scope for opinion, subjectivity, and they don't require experiment because all the information is already there in front of you. There's no need to experiment.